Hell yeah.
Yo, we good? What's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video, right? The past few weeks for me, it's been kind of busy. I've been uploading some things that ain't really been clipper reviews, but either way, I've been busy. As y'all seen my last video, I had the Tennessee Barber Expo where I set up selling my products. Give me one second. Selling my products. This is my mint and rose beard oil. So good turnout. A few people was asking me about my website and where can you order these products. I sold out of a lot of stuff. Sold out a lot of stuff. So I am trying to get everything back together. And the website is cutsbyreggie.com. As of right now, there's nothing there as far as you can still go there, but there's nothing for sale at the moment. But we are working on that. And I will let y'all know when that changes. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like the videos if you like them. Hit the thumbs down if you don't. Comment, share, all that good stuff. Today, we have something new from StyleCraft / Gamma, but StyleCraft, right? So as y'all know, the alpha was released a couple years ago, some time ago. I don't know. That was actually my first time being introduced to Gamma StyleCraft. I did a review, a quick review on those products, on the, I think it was the one hitter trimmer, the alpha, and the Prodigy shaver. Wasn't a fan of the clipper. All right, I was not a big fan of the clipper. Kind of talked about them, and at that time, I told myself that, because that was multiple products at one time, that I told myself that I wasn't probably going to buy too much from Gamma or StyleCraft after using the alpha. But as y'all know, they changed it. They got the Ergo, the X Ergo. They got a lot of great products now. All right. And now they bring to us the Rebel, which is the alpha. It is the alpha, but it's not the alpha, right? I don't have an alpha here with me to compare, but I'll save that comparison for another video. Today, we're just gonna unbox this. These are on pre-order at the moment. They cost this much right there, right? They on pre-order right now on the website. You can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you a couple dollars off of the price I just posted. Yeah, shout out to Gamma / StyleCraft for sending these out to me. It seems like a smaller box, so maybe it's a lighter, slimmer clipper. But before we open it, we're gonna read it just a little bit. It has 7,200 strokes per minute with a super torque motor. All right, so the torque and the rotations or the spins, it's not necessarily the same thing. So you can have, I know we'll see 10,000 RPM and think that's gonna be that big bang that's gonna cut through everything, and sometimes that is the case. But I've also used some that has 10,000 RPM or whatever, and it's not really that bulk removal that we're looking for. All right, so this says 7,200 RPM, fully adjusted. They got the color lids, of course. It has 180 minutes of runtime. All right, with a rapid charge of 1 hour. It got the pink blue. It comes with the stretch bracket, which is the Filthy Blend. Shout out to Filthy Blends, working with StyleCraft. They have been putting that stretch bracket in these lately, so that's a good thing. All right, so let's open it up. As you can see, like Gamma StyleCraft do, they give you the little info on the front. Got the flap. Boom. Show you the different colors it comes with. This is the actual clipper, but we're gonna see what them other finishes are on those plates. Come with a charging dock. I got a lot of charging docks. If y'all seen, follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie. Y'all see a power box that I have, and I think actually Ron Barber did a review on them from a company called Crazy Good that I've been using to charge. So you got your charger, screwdriver, and it comes with the double magnetic guards. They have been bringing them out lately with the color coding on them. The dubs are my favorite guards. I use them on everything now. So I use the half guard from Wall, right? Just pay attention. I use the half guard from Wall because that's the best half guard I got. And I alternate between the double magnetics and the I alternate between the double magnetics from StyleCraft, and I use the JRL guards that they brought out with the 2020 series. I just alternate between them depending on what clipper. Sometimes they just fit better on there, but those are the two sets of guards that I use, with also the premium guards from Wall every now and then, but definitely the half guard. All right. So those do come with the double magnetic. This one, also with the changing of the lid, look at that. They give you some levers right there. Change your color, match everything up. All right. And that's the stretch bracket from Filthy Blends that comes with, he's been working with Gamma / StyleCraft for a little while now with bringing them, you know, different brackets, modifications. The world is right now in the world of clipper. We are big on modifications. Everybody wants things customized, and certain companies help us achieve that. Shout out to Elite Clipper Modifications. Shout out to Filthy Blends and Clipper Crafters. So yeah. So that's everything that comes in the box. But I mean, that's everything that comes in the box. The main thing is the clipper. It comes with the blue lid on it. Again, hard to get out. Not hard to get out. It's just me. It's just something about me and getting clippers out of the thing.
A few moments later.
Got it. All right. So this is the clipper. It is very light. Very light. The Rebel. I like how that is designed on there. You get these two, of course, and they seem like they got like a more slick finish to it, but this black seems like it got like a matte feel to it. So as y'all know, I don't change my clipper covers a lot. This will be the first time that I definitely will. I like this. I like this black and red. I don't know if y'all noticed through my videos, I wear a lot of black shirts. Sometimes my black shirts might have a red logo on it. Black and red is like my color. Black and red is just my color. Besides my products, which is gold and black, but also with red on them. See? I like that. Anyway, all that has nothing to do with nothing. But I'm going to be changing this out. But it has nothing to do with how they come. They got that Fusion blade on there, which I like the Fusion blade, the fade blade. You see the design. Pretty much the same as the Alpha. Almost like a wall clipper. These are my magic clips. So as you can see, boom, lever. Same design actually, but not a problem. The main focus is how do they perform? All right. This do come with the click lever. And I watched a Ron Barber interview with Austin from StyleCraft, and he was pretty much describing these will be like, so you know Wall have the seniors and they have the magic clips. Same body style. The magic clips is a little lighter. The seniors have more power. So this will be this will be their version of, I don't want to say their version of the senior, but this will be their senior to their magic clip, which is the Alpha. Less power, lighter, you know, that. So that's the design. Pretty cool. The 2 ports at the bottom. Got some volume to it. It's not too bad, but like, these are the caliber 50 cal BMG. It got some sound. It got some sound. don't want to say they're loud, but these are the new Babelesses, the Low Pro, coming out in February. They got some sound to them. They're not bad. They're not loud. I don't want to get that twist. They're not like a master loud. Definitely not. But not zero gapped at all. I'm fine with that. As y'all know with my clippers, I don't, if you didn't know, sorry, I'm spitting everywhere. If you didn't know, with my clippers, I usually don't ever zero gap them. I just kind of cut with them how they are. I do have one of my magic clips that's almost zero gap just because it helped getting out of ball line. So whenever I do a ball fade, I'll use those to get out of ball line. I don't zero gap all my clippers. Now my trimmers, another story, still not zero gapped, but they are more gapped because you want that sharp line. But anyway, this is the Rebel from StyleCraft. We will be using this for the next 2 weeks, maybe week. As y'all can y'all see that bracket in there? This is their thin cutting blade. I want to say bracket, but that's their cutting blade. Thinner, kind of help with going through bulk. So this 72 RPM says it's great with bulk removal, more torque to it. It got a 180 minutes of runtime. So what's that? 3 hours of runtime, 60, 120 plus 6. 3 hours of runtime with an hour of charge. So it's not bad. Does come with a charging dock. I am going to see if it maybe works with one of these charging spots that I have on this box. If not, I'm just going to get another box. Anyway, maybe I'll put a picture in here of the box that I'm even talking about. It's from a company called Crazy Good. They was at the Tennessee Barber Expo as well. So holler at them for a charging box. But anyway, that's the StyleCraft. If you like the video, the Rebel. If I didn't say the name, that's the StyleCraft Rebel. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down button. That's fine. It's perfectly fine. Comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, StyleCraft Rebel. I'm going to be back with a review and a comparison to the Alpha, because I also want to know, how does it compare? Because I think the Alpha has, if not the same RPM, a little bit higher RPM, but this is supposed to have a higher torque motor. So I do want to compare that between cutting through her and all that good stuff. All right. We'll be back with another video and a review of this in about a week or two. All right. Cool. Peace.